this video, we'll review how to fill and seal FlexRx Gen 2 medication adherence packaging from Jones Healthcare Group. Start by placing your empty blisters on the automation tray. Once the blisters have been filled with medications, check they have been filled according to the patient's prescription before sealing. Identify the corresponding printed label for the blister. Remove the perforated liner strip with the tab from the front. With the top strip peeled off, align the label using the raised alignment posts. Press firmly onto the blister. Fold the label upward to access the liner. Peel the liner off and secure it to the blister. Use a 6-inch roller to apply even pressure to the label in a vertical direction to ensure a secure seal. Repeat the process for the remaining blisters on the tray if applicable. Gently remove the FlexRx Gen 2 from the tray. Your multi-dose blister pack is now complete and ready for verification before dispensing to your patient. Now let's see how easy it is to access medication for patient dispensing with FlexRx Gen 2. Locate the appropriate medication compartment for dosage and time. Bend the whole row of compartments to help them break apart more easily. Then detach one or more compartments, a great option for patients on the go or distribution in long-term care. From the label side, push through the label using the tab to the left of the medication compartment. Pinch and peel back the rest of the label to the right of the medication compartment. Each medication compartment can be used as a medication cup. The medication is ready to take.